Investing in trading involves a comprehensive understanding of the markets, consistent strategy implementation, and continuous learning. Here are the fundamental steps, various trading methods, and ways to enhance your trading skills. Understanding the markets. Begin by familiarizing yourself with different types of markets, stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Each market has its own dynamics, trading hours, and volatility levels. Choose one that aligns with your interests and objectives. Choose a trading method. There are several trading methods, each with distinct strategies and time commitments. Day trading involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day. Day traders capitalize on small price movements and require a quick decision-making process. This method typically involves significant time and emotional investment. Swing trading. Swing traders hold positions for several days to weeks. They aim to profit from expected upward or downward market shifts. This method provides more flexibility compared to day trading. Position trading. This long-term strategy involves holding securities for months or years. Position traders capitalize on major price trends and are less concerned with short-term fluctuations. Scalping, a method focused on profiting from small price gaps. Scalpers make numerous trades within a day, aiming to build profits from minor price changes. It requires high speed and precision. Develop a trading plan. Success in trading requires a well-structured plan. Define your financial goals, risk tolerance, investment capital, and time commitment. Your plan should include entry and exit strategies, stop-loss levels, and position sizing. Utilize trading tools. Leverage trading platforms and tools like technical analysis software, news aggregators, and trading bots. Quality tools aid in better decision-making and efficiency.